In this video, you'll understand how to solve the modulus function algebraically and graphically. Here we have the modulus of 4x minus 4 equals 8. It's important to note that the function here, 4x minus 4 inside the modulus, is called the argument. And in order to solve it algebraically, we select the positive argument and also the negative argument separately. So the positive argument then would be 4x minus 4 equals 8. And the negative argument would be minus 1 into 4x minus 4 equals 8. And we solve them separately. Let us solve. We add 4 both sides here, so we would have 4x then equals 12. So x here equals 3. We divide both sides by 4. Here we can distribute the minus 1 over the bracket, or we can divide both sides by minus 1. So let us divide both sides by minus 1. Therefore, I would have 4x minus 4 equals minus 8. We need to solve for x, so we add 4 both sides. Therefore, we would have minus 4. And 4x equals minus 4. To get x, we divide both sides by 4. So x equals minus 1. Now let us look at the graphical solution of this, how we graph it. Before I explain the solution over here, let us quickly recap how to sketch a graph of the modulus of 4x minus 4. So here, in order to sketch a graph of this form where y is equal to the modulus of ax plus b, we sketch a graph of y equals ax. Therefore, we need to sketch a graph of y equals 4x minus 4. So y equals 4x minus 4. So here this would be the y-intercept, so it would cut the y-axis here. And we can just say when y equals 0, we can find the x value. Therefore, 4x minus 4 equals 0. And we simply solve for x. So x here would equal to positive 1. So here we draw the graph. So here y is equal to 4x minus 4. But if you can recall, the modulus, it takes on a non-negative value. Therefore, we can't have any value which is below this region here. Therefore, what we need to do is to reflect this part of the graph in the x-axis. So if I reflect minus 4 in the x-axis, it's going to land here. So when I reflect it, I would still be at this point here, which is here, and I reflect it in the x-axis. Therefore, I'm at this point here, which is exactly here. And then I draw the graph of the modulus function. So this is a graph of the modulus of let me write y is equal to the modulus of 4x minus 4. Also here, this value here is y equals 8. So at y equals 8, which is at this point here, it cuts the function 2 places at this point here, where x here is minus 1 and x here is positive 3. So this is positive 3 and that's minus 1, which is consistent with our algebraic solution. So if we can look back at our algebraic solution, which is we have x as minus 1 and we have x as positive 3, we can see that we have the same solution there. X is minus 1 and x is positive 3. Thank you very much.